Good afternoon, friends. In the last video, we see merge queries option in Power BI. In this video, we continue with the last topic. So, we are going to learn new examples, new situations to apply merge queries in Power BI. So, let's start. So, here is the sample data. First, we look at common records from both the tables. So here employee 1 and employee 2 is two tables. So we have to find common records from both the tables using power merge queries option in Power BI. So let's start. First we upload these two tables into Power BI. So it is a very important topic in Power BI, merge queries, and we can apply these in various scenarios. So we are learning one by one how to apply merge queries. So here, this is the employee 1 table and employee 2 table. First we make necessary changes. Go to transform tab and just click on use first row as headers. Similar step will apply on second table. So our data is ready now. So in home tab we have one option, merge queries. So here I am going to select merge queries as a new. By default it select first table and this is second table. Here OK button is disabled because uh, we have not created any relationship between two tables. So you have to create a relationship between two tables. And here various types of join kind mentioned in the drop down. So explanation is given by Power BI in the bracket. So left outer, right outer, full outer, inner, left anti and right anti. These are the various types of join kind in Power BI. So we have to select inner, only matching rows from both the tables. So it shows 4 out of 7 rows. It shows count immediately and just click on OK button. So here we got the common records and here we get the similar table or similar name. So we did not want this column now, so you can simply remove column and you can see Rahul Vaidya. So his name is also present in the first table and also second table. Second name is Karishma Kapoor, Jyoti Bakshi and Nidhi Rathi. Karishma Kapoor, Jyoti Bakshi, Nidhi Rathi. In table 2 also Karishma Kapoor, Nidhi Rathi, Jyoti Bakshi. So these 4 names are present in both table 1 and table 2. So we have successfully applied merge queries option here, and now we can see the next example. Next example is cross join. So we have sample data for apply cross join in merge queries. So here are the first column, name and certification. So we want to actually is all papers done certification 1 2 3 4. So we want to uh, show every certification in front of every person name. So this is the use of cross join. So let us start. First we upload these two tables in Power BI. This first table is employee and certification. Click on transform data. Please make necessary changes. Merge queries. Merge queries as a new. So here, and you can see now there is no common table, actually common values between two tables. So here we have to use add column option and custom column and just press 1. This is a trick to apply merge queries when we don't have any common column or common values between two tables. Just click on OK button, click on certification, custom column, just type 1 and click on OK button. So now you can see we have common column here or common values here between two tables. So again, go to home tab, merge queries as a new, select second table, certification. Yes, now you have 7 out of 7 matches and just click on OK button. So you can see every person done with certification 1 2 3 4. So this is the use of cross join, and we have seen how to apply this in the merge queries in Power BI. We can remove other columns. Oh, by mistakenly I deleted wrong columns. Remove columns. So here are the details about the certification for mention people in the table. So we have done with the second example in merge queries. Now we have to see fuzzy columns option in Power BI. We are going to see last example in merge queries. It's a fuzzy match. So here is the data for this example, fuzzy match. So you can see here, yeah, are the name and gender. Two columns are here in the sheet 1 and sheet 2 is the correct names. So you can see uh, Karishma Kapoor. The spelling is Kapur, and here is the right spelling is Kapor. Same is for Rathi. Here Rathi spelling is Rathi, and here Pawan Joshi, 6th number. The spelling is Pavan, and here is the correct spelling is Pawan. So we have to see this in Power BI. So I have selected this data file, upload it on in a Power BI, transform data. So here we have to select merge queries as a new, select second table, correct names, select the names from both the tables. First I had done one mistake here, so just click on cancel button. First we have to do necessary changes in the data. So it's go to transform tab, click on use first row as headers. Now it's correct. Then again go to home tab, click on merge queries as a new, select table to correct names, select name from both the tables, and just click on OK button. So you can see three names are different as per the our selection, but we can do, or we can apply fuzzy match application or option here. So it will give around a 90% correct result using that option fuzzy match. So how to apply that option? Now we are going to see that option. So please delete or remove this column, or delete this query, it is better. So again click on merge queries as a new. So second table is correct names, you have to select both the columns, and here fuzzy matching option is that you can to click use fuzzy matching to perform the merge. So here you have to select changes checkbox before applying OK button. So before applying, you can see the selection matches 4 out of 7 rows from the first table, and when we click on this checkbox or select this checkbox, now it gives the result as a 6 out of 7 rows matches. So around 90% we get the correct result. So this is the application of, or this is the use of fuzzy matching option in Power BI. Just click on OK. Click on OK, and here almost it is correct. So this is the fuzzy match in merge queries. So we have seen three examples in merge queries. So we have done for this video. So please subscribe our YouTube channel, like or share our videos. Thank you for watching.